Hi guys, my name is Oktavia. I'm from class 11 Design Communication Visual B. My goals to making this video is to introduce regional stories in Sintang. Entitled is Sungai Kawat. The character is fisherman, his family, and residents. Once upon in Sintang, West Kalimantan, there lived fisherman and his family. Every day he went fishing in the river using a fishing rod because he didn't have a net. That's why he always caught a few fish. One morning, fishermen rowed their canoes on the river. As usual, he broke his fishing rod. He stopped the canoe and put out bait. He wiped, but no fish was caught. He came back. He hoped this time it would work. Unfortunately, I have had and luck. After waiting for a long time, he finally felt that the fish had eaten his bait. Finally, he said. He slowly pulled the fishing rod. It turns out to be very difficult. Fishermen cannot pull fishing lines. Wow, the fish must be really big, thought the fisherman. He thought about the size of the fish. He knows that fish big must be very expensive. He hoped he would a lot of money if he could sell the fish. After thinking about money, he suddenly had more strength to attract Kale. He pulled the rod with great force, but it still didn't work. The fisherman was very tired and decided to rest. It was almost dark. The fisherman thought he had enough rest. He hoped that the fish was already weak. He took a deep breath and counted 1, 2, 3. He pulled again and this time he succeeded. He wanted to see the size. However, he didn't see any fish. Instead, he found somewhere on the hook. At first, he was very disappointed. But when he looked at the wire carefully, he was very happy because he was made of gold. He went to sell wire and have a lot of money. See, he took the wire in the river again and again until the canoe is full. Suddenly, a sound was heard. Enough, don't take a wire anymore. The fisherman ignored the sound. He went to take as much gold wire as he could. He went to be rich. Enough, don't pick up a wire again. Stop now. Once again, the voice asked to stop. No, I don't want to stop now, said the fisherman. He continued to pull the gold wire. The canoe was full of the gold wire. He can't hold the wire any longer. Slowly, the canoe sank to the bottom of the river. The fishermen did not realize that because they were busy pulling the wire. When he found out what happened, it was too late. The dinghy completely sank and the fisherman panicked. He went to save the wire, but the canoe was sinking quickly. Finally, the fisherman swam to the side of the river. He regrets his bad behavior. People hear about fishermen and their wares. Since the people name the river as Wire River. That's all my story. Thank you. Bye bye.